Okay guys, we are making our traditional Italian beef sandwiches for New Year's Day. We have a lot going on in this skillet with the peppers, different color peppers, red, yellow, orange, and green, sweet Vidalia onions, and a pap of butter. We're gonna have it on these mini French loaves from Partisan.
Baked fresh every day.
Baked fresh every day. And we bought 6 of these.
You have 2 sandwiches a piece out of each loaf.
Yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna show you the piece de resistance. And my husband and we're gonna have sauteed mushrooms on ours. These are the white. Oh, and look at what's going on in the crock pot. Yay! Sandwiches! But look at all these colors, guys. All these beautiful colors. Oh, I wish you could smell it. I came through the door and the goodness just knocked me flat on my ass. Okay guys, we'll be back to show you what it looks like. Okay guys, and here is the mushrooms, which is going on my and my husband's Italian beef sandwiches. Oh, don't that look gorgeous, guys? Yeah, these are white mushrooms, very healthy for you. And here it is, guys, all plated up with a side order of potato salad and macaroni and cheese from Christmas dinner. Don't that look delicious, guys? Now tell me that's not enough to fill a hungry belly. Happy eating!